There have been 53 additional virus-related deaths reported in the past 24 hours. News on 6's Amy Slanchik has a look at how this surge is affecting hospitals and testing sites.
At Stillwater Medical Center today, healthcare leaders declared a disaster. Last fall, this was the scene with medical tents set up outside to care for patients. The center doesn't have tents up now, but they are still sounding the alarm. In a Facebook post, Stillwater Medical Center shared it is seeing a record number of patients daily, which has resulted in our emergency department, our inpatient units, including ICU, and both of our urgent care locations to be at or over maximum capacity. But it's not just patients in the hospital. Stillwater Medical says a record number of their healthcare workers are out with COVID too. The hospital says declaring an emergency allows it to consolidate resources, implement crisis strategies, and reevaluate procedure schedules to help with staffing needs. In Tulsa, St. Francis says hospitalizations continue to trend upward with 258 COVID patients across all of its locations. 18 of them are children. Osage Sky News 6 shows the line of people at the hospital's Broken Arrow testing site on Elm earlier this week. On the ground today, the long wait times continue. St. Francis says it is averaging 800 tests there a day in the last week. Meanwhile, at this testing site at 91st and Mingo, there was a much shorter line. Near 51st and Peoria, more people wanting to know if they have the virus. And St. Francis says 83% of COVID patients in its hospitals are not vaccinated. Live in Tulsa, Amy Slanchik, Oklahoma's Own, News on 6.